Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by heating a wide skillet so mushrooms brown instead of steam. Add 3 tablespoons butter or oil, then the diced onion and 1/2 tsp salt. Cook until translucent. Once the onion softens, add 1 lb sliced mushrooms and 2 minced garlic cloves, stirring to distribute heat. You want good browning for deep flavor, so keep the pan hot and avoid overcrowding. Make sure to scrape brown bits from the pan. They carry most of the savory base for the soup. Once the mushrooms are nicely browned, sprinkle 2 tablespoons flour and stir for 1 to 2 minutes to cook off the starchy edge. Next, slowly whisk in 3 cups vegetable or chicken stock so the roux dissolves evenly. This prevents lumps. Then add 1 cup milk or cream for body. Use cream for a richer soup. Simmer gently for 10-15 minutes so flavors meld and the soup thickens. Make sure to stir occasionally to avoid sticking and check seasoning with salt, pepper, and a pinch of thyme. You finish by choosing texture. Blend half the soup with an immersion blender for a silky body while leaving some mushroom pieces for bite. Once smooth, return chunks and warm through. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice or a splash of sherry to brighten flavors, then stir in 1-2 tablespoon chopped parsley. Taste and adjust seasoning, ladle into bowls and serve hot. Troubleshooting tip: if soup is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If too thick, whisk in hot stock gradually until desired consistency is reached.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.